We must start by praising Allah, seeking His mercy and blessings. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Iqbal Virtual Academy. This is Mama Akramalan and you're watching IBA. It is our English lecture. In today's lecture, we'll learn about the use of was, were, is, and are. So let us begin with was, were. Was, were are basically used in the past form, like let's suppose there's I, he, she, and it. So we say that I was, she was, he was, and it was. I was happy yesterday. He was rude. She was a good girl. It was inside the room. So with I, he, she, and it we use was. Fine? I hope you're getting it. With you, they, and we use were. You were telling the truth. They were fighting. We were enjoying the party. Fine? Okay. And one thing more, that with I we sometimes use were, but in that place we're using the were just because we are wishing it. Like let's suppose I say, I wish our scientist so I could do many creation and inventions. Fine. Like I'm not a scientist, but I wish for it. So that is here we are using were. Fine. I were. Usually we use was with I. But here we are using were because I'm wishing for something that isn't actually some reality, but I just wish for it, I dream for it. Fine, I hope you got it. Next is and are. These basically are used in the present form. Let's suppose I am. So I'm a good girl. Lols. He, she, it. With he, she, it we are using is. He is a nice guy. She is a good girl too. And no, she isn't a good girl. Okay, and it is special to me. Fine. So it is, she is, he is. I am. With I we just use am. Fine. I am. You, they, and we, you, and they we use are. You are not a good person. We are happy together. They are inside the room. Fine. I hope you're getting that. It was our short lecture. Thanks a million for watching. Please like the lecture and subscribe our channel if you haven't. And if for any query, any question, you may comment in the comment box. Thanks a lot. Stay safe.